College is a great time. Tons of new experiences and memories, reports and projects, photos and videos highlighting an important time in your life. So, saving your documents, photos, projects, and videos to the cloud can be a great idea. Services like Dropbox, iCloud, and others allow you to access your items remotely and across all your devices, your phone, computer, tablet. But what happens when you delete one of those files? There's nothing worse than trying to tell someone that you weren't able to complete an assignment because you lost the file. Protect your hard work. To answer that question, the simple answer is that if you delete a file from your phone, PC, or your tablet that's stored in the cloud, it most likely will be deleted from the cloud as well. And when this happens, those files are typically gone. In addition to storing your files in the cloud, a good idea is to also create a backup of all your most important files as well. An easy way to accomplish this is by using a removable drive. These drives, sometimes called external hard drives or flash drives, are little devices similar in function to the hard drive that's inside your computer, but can be easily disconnected. It's just as easy to drag and drop the files to your removable drive, or you can use any number of utilities to do this process for you automatically. On a Windows PC, there is a built-in utility that backs up your entire computer called simply Backup. Simply click on your Start button and type the word Backup. You will then see a result that says Backup Settings with the picture of an arrow pointing up. Click on this and you will see the steps to start backing up your computer. On a Mac, there's a built-in backup utility called Time Machine that works very much the same way. To get started, click the Apple menu in the top left-hand side of the screen and select System Preferences. From here, click the Time Machine icon near the bottom of the window. Select your removable drive, and Time Machine will start backing up all of your data. Save yourself hours upon hours of frustration. Start backing up today. Still have questions? We can help.